Hi, if you want to set custom notification sound on your Samsung Galaxy S25, then firstly find your Samsung folder, open it, and in here choose My Files app. After that, you should pick Internal Storage and here choose Essentials. Then simply find a sound or song you want to set as your notification sound. For example, mine is placed in Downloads. And now you will need to press and hold it, and on the bottom of the display choose to copy. After that, you need to tap on Internal Storage, scroll a bit down in the folders list, and tap Notifications. And simply choose Copy here. Now it is copied to the Notifications folder. So what we are going to do next is we need to open Settings, choose Sound and Vibration, select Notification Sound, and now find the name of our song in this list. So let's just go through the list and try to find it here. And here it is. You can see it in this Custom tab. And you can even remove it from here if you want to. But to set it as your notification sound, you need to tap it. And now this is our custom notification sound. So that's it, how it works. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.